In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a birthday poster in Canva. We'll walk through the process from choosing a template to downloading a print-ready file, keeping everything simple and clear so you can finish a polished poster in just a few minutes. Start by heading to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so your work saves automatically as you go. Once you're in, click on Templates. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type in birthday poster and press enter. You'll get a wide range of styles: playful, elegant, minimalist, and more. Click on a design that matches the vibe you want, then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now let's personalize it. Click directly on the existing text in the template. Replace it with your details like the birthday person's name and any key information you want to highlight. Keep the message short and clear so it stays readable at a glance. If you notice the text looks crowded, consider simplifying the wording to maintain a clean layout. If your template includes a placeholder photo, you can swap it with your own. On the left sidebar, click the Uploads tab, choose a photo of the birthday person from your device, and wait for it to upload. Then, drag and drop the photo directly over the placeholder image. Canva will automatically replace the original, preserving the shape and placement so it looks professionally aligned. If you'd like to incorporate stock graphics, click on the Elements tab and search for something like birthday cake. This will show you a range of illustrations, icons, and stickers that match your theme, making it easy to find visuals that complement your poster style. To adjust the background, click the background color swatch in the toolbar at the top, then click the color box to open the palette and choose a new color. For a cohesive look, pick a shade that complements the photo or the main accent color in your template so everything feels unified. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select your file type. For printing, PDF print is usually best because it keeps text and images crisp. For sharing online or on social media, PNG or JPEG is ideal. Finally, click the Download button and let Canva prepare your file. That's it. You've created a customized birthday poster in Canva, ready to print or share.